Good day everyone. My name is Pis-an, and this is for the finals OS Windows Server 2008 or the OS Finals TUP Taguig domain activity for my operating system subject. And today we are going to configure the file services. So in here, the file sharing. Sorry, file sharing. So here we are tasked to create a university public folder and an installer folder, but in reality I need to create all of these folders: academic, the administrative, the installer, the university, and the BSIT folder. So the academic and administrative department folder already got populated, or it already has something in it. So the academic department folder already has the BAT, the BS degree program, the BS engineering program, and the BTB. So everything in here, everything in these program courses is already here. Example: the BAT, the BS engineering, and the BTB. And also the administrative department consists of the following: registrar, directors, research and extension, human resource, finance office, supply and procurement, records office, library services. Okay, so the next thing that we are going to do is close this. We're going to the server manager. After that, we're going to click the arrows, next, and click the file services. Then we're going to click next, and here we're going to tick some of the boxes. What are the boxes, you may ask? I have here the things that I need to fill out. I'm just so everything that need to be ticked is the distributed file system. This provides tools and services for DFS namespaces and DFS replication. You can see that it already ticked the DFS namespace and replication for us. Okay, the next one, the next three is the file service resource manager, services for network file system, and Windows search services. And after that, we can just click next. Here you don't have to do anything, you can just click next. Here in the provide credentials to create namespace, we're going to click the select button, and you're gonna put your username and password. So I'm just gonna put the TUPT and my password. Okay, and there we go. Next, namespace 1, and we're just gonna take this, the local DC. Next. Next, and then we can install it. So after everything, we can just close this window, minimize this. Here, we are going to go to the file services or the file server resource manager. Here, another instruction here says that the storage quota for each folder is 1 GB. So in order for us to create a 1 GB storage quota, first we need to go to the file server resource manager, the quota management, quotas, the quota templates, and then we're going to create a quota template. Oh, so in order for us to create the quota, the 1 gigabyte quota, just okay. We can now create a name for the template name or the quota name. We're going to use the name is 1 gigabyte. 1 gigabyte. Quota. Then we can change the limit to 1 and megabyte to gigabyte. And after that, we can just click OK. And there we go. 1 gigabyte quota. 1 gigabyte quota. Hard. The quota type is hard. Okay, so now that we've done this, we are going to now proceed to the file sharing or the provision share. To do that, we're going to go to the server manager, the roles, file services, the share and storage management, and then click on the provision share. Once you are in the provision share, we can now set the location, or we can just browse it. The first we're going to do is the academic department. Okay, so after this part is going to be tedious steps, so you can just follow along, and I'll just do my thing. Okay. Okay, so now we have created a NFS or provision share for the academic folder. Now we're going to proceed to the administrative department. Okay, so now we have the academic and the administrative NFS. As you can see, both the department is already done. Okay, so after we've done the provision share for the academic department and administrative department, we're going to also do a provision share for everything that is inside the academic department and the administrative department. So here we go. BTPT, as well as the administrative department, and each of these offices, as you can see here, we are going to provision share the remaining two that we have created earlier, the university and the installer folder. So for the university folder, we are going to make it like this. So browse university folder. Okay, next. Also next, check these two. Next. Go to the permissions at university folder. I'm not gonna remove it because everyone is here. It says all domain in the end. This is here that a university public folder where all domain users can access. So all domain users is everyone. So I'm just gonna click everyone and check the change, then apply. Okay, next. Apply quota, 1 gigabyte quota, then create. Okay, the next one is the installer folder. Okay, next, check, next. So it says here that the installer folder containing applications that only administrator can access. So we're going to remove this, add admin, check names, administrator. So the built-in administrator. the built-in administrator. Okay, change entry, apply. Okay, next, quota, gigabyte, create. Okay, so that is all for the server manager and the provision share. It says here that all folders except the computer engineering folder should contain only Office documents, so like that P50, that DOX, that DOC, docx, XML, PDF, etc. So all folder except engineering folder. So how we're going to do it? We're gonna do it like so. So to do this, we are going to the file services, file screening, file screen templates, create file screen templates, Office, this is the Office docu only, and we are going to check everything except Office files. Okay, so there you go. And the other one, because computer engineer folder is an extra. Okay, so I'm gonna tick everything. So everything except executable files. So that includes the Office files from the Office documents only. Okay, there we go. We have the Office documents only, and then the computer engineering. So that is all for the file services or the file sharing. Thank you.